Hi, this is D with Splice here, and today we're going to talk about using Beatmaker. Splice is dedicated to providing musicians of all different backgrounds the right tools to create. One of our most accessible features for our users is Beatmaker, an online step sequencer that you can use to produce new beats with Splice sounds. Beatmaker is available for all users who wish to get inspiration for new beats and to save those creations directly on the website. Each row of Beatmaker acts as a component of the beat you create. For example, the first 5 rows represent traditional drum beat elements, such as a kick, snare, hi-hat, toms, while the next 3 represent other elements you can add to your beat, such as synth hits, percussion, effects. If you wish to add more rows to your beat, you can click the plus button at the bottom of your last row. In order to sort your samples based on the type of element you're trying to add, click on the row you wish to change the element for, and select the element drop-down menu to the right of the Create Custom Drum Kit header. Once you select the instrument or element, you'll see recommendations populate at the bottom of the page. You can preview and select the sample you wish to use by clicking on the sample. Once you've decided on what samples you want to use, you can start creating your track. Each beat is broken down into 8 sections or measures in 4/4 time. This means you have 4 full counts in each measure of your beat. In order to place the sample you've selected for that row on a count in your measure, just click on the box you wish the beat to play on. The box will then change color. If you're new to creating music, a good starting point is adding a backbeat, which means a strong emphasis on the 2nd and 4th count of each measure. Once you think you are ready to preview your beat, you can play your creation by clicking the play button at the top left of the Beatmaker. If you want the beat to be a little faster or slower, you can also adjust the BPM, which is beats per minute, to the top left as well. Feel free to experiment with different samples and different rhythms. Once you're happy with how your beat sounds, you can save your beat by clicking Save to the top right of the Beatmaker. If you want to revisit the beat at another time, you can return to your beats by clicking on the farthest right drop-down menu on the screen. This shows all the beats Splice has provided as templates to use as inspiration and all beats you've saved. The first beat listed is titled Kern. Scroll to the bottom of the drop-down menu and there will be a section dedicated to your saved beats. If you want to download your beat, you'll need to be on the active sound subscription because the samples that you've used are only available on the Splice Sounds platform. To download your creation, click the download button on the top menu. You'll have 3 options for downloading: MIDI files, sample files, and Pioneer DJ files. You'll need to recreate your beat in your DAW in order to use your creation outside of Beatmaker. In order to do this, we suggest downloading the MIDI files and sample files. The MIDI files will act as the rhythm of your beat, and the samples will act as the audio of your beat. MIDI files will download to your computer's download folder, while samples will download to the desktop application. You can then reconstruct the beat in your DAW in order to add new elements such as recorded audio or additional loops, melodies, and harmonies.